Una sa ating balitaan, nilagdaan na ng Pilipinas at ng Timor-Leste ang tatlong kasunduan ng pagtutulungan sa larangan ng edukasyon, kalakalan at depensa. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami, Elena Luna.
Katulad ng isang nakatatandang kapatid, ipinakita ng Pilipinas ang kahandaang umalalay sa pagbuo ng Timor-Leste. Tatlong kasunduan ang pinagtibay sa official visit ni Prime Minister Kairala Sanana Gusmao. Pangunahin rito ang pagbahagi ng karunungan sa infrastruktura sa pamamagitan ng Memorandum of Understanding sa pagitan ng Department of Public Works and Highways at Ministry of Public Works.
During my 4-day official visit, I will also have the opportunity to see firsthand some vital infrastructure projects that may serve as a model for major development that will be pursued in Timor-Leste. I will also meet with some of the more than 100 Timorese that you mentioned, Mr. President, who are studying in the Philippines. Our government has placed the priority on developing and building our human resources, and I am very grateful to the Philippine government for helping to address this critical need of our nation's development.
Pinagtibay rin ang kasunduan sa teacher training kung saan bubuo ng teacher education program ang Philippine Normal University para sa Timor-Leste.
This is part of our efforts to deepen cooperation in education between our nations. I've also been informed that 32 of the more than 100 Timorese scholars in the country have finished their studies and have returned to their country to share the insights they have gained in the Philippines with their countrymen. With 20 more scholars graduating this year, we look forward to welcoming more Timorese nationals to our shores to learn from our finest institutions.
Pinagtibay rin ang MOU on policy consultation sa pagitan ng Department of Foreign Affairs ng Pilipinas at Ministry of Foreign Affairs ng Timor-Leste. Ito ang maglalatag ng kooperasyon sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa, kabilang na ang pagkakaroon ng bilateral mechanism. Matapos ang paglagda sa mga kasunduang ito, isang official luncheon ang ibinigay ng Pangulo sa Prime Minister at kanyang delegasyon sa Rizal Hall ng Palasyo. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.